With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is the aqueous solution of baking soda. The aqueous solution of baking soda is, we have to find the aqueous solution of baking soda is acidic, alkaline, neutral, or amphoteric. So first of all, we know that our baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, or it is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate, and the formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate is, we know that the formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaHCO3. Now we have to find NaHCO3 is acidic, alkaline, neutral, or amphoteric in nature. So we have to check with a pH indicator. We know that pH indicator is used in acid-base titration. We know that in acid pH will change to colorless, it gives colorless, and when it will dissolve into basic solution. In acidic solution it will change into colorless, and in basic solution it will change into pink color. So now we have to check on the basis of pH indicator. We know that when NaHCO3, when in NaHCO3 dipped phenolphthalein paper, phenolphthalein, then it will changes into pink color. Which means our aqueous solution is basic in nature. And we know that the pH of, and we also know that the NaHCO3, the pH of NaOCO3 is 9, which is also a basic. So here it is proved that our option number 2 is correct, that is alkaline in nature. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.